And special thanks to my friends over at this company who were nice enough to send us this 12-pack of scented candles. You get 12 70-gram or 2.5-ounce candles inside of this package. It is a great Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or birthday gift for your significant other who may love candles. Love the little picture on the front, nothing really around the sides, and the back just kind of has some manufacturing information. So let's open these up, see what we have here. Slide the top off. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. Oh man, my wife is gonna love these. They do include a little set of scented candle instructions, which, you know, are basically just kind of safety instructions, warnings, etc. And then in here is the candles. So as I mentioned, this is 12 of them, and each one is 2.5 grams. So this one has this nice design on it. This is a mango almond scented candle, 2.5 ounce. And, you know, very nice. Pops right off. Love it. And then, what's this one? This is sage scented candle. Very nice. Oh, smells so good. And these are like metal candle holders. What we got next? We got bonfire marshmallow. Wow, that actually does smell like marshmallows in a bonfire. Love the little design around all of these. Absolutely. What else we got? Fresh orange ginger. Yes, that's very orange. Wow. Very nice. Wow. Then cinnamon apple. This is probably one of my personal favorites. I always liked apple smelling and cinnamon stuff. Oh yes, that's cinnamon apple. The smells are 100% on point. I can say that. And this is the last one for the top layer. Mahogany teak. The design's lovely. Oh, that's the best one I've smelled so far. Oh, that smells absolutely amazing. I want this. I want a bigger version of this candle. This smells so good. I'm actually going to leave that one open. And so if I remove this pink foam, we have our other 6 candles. So all the designs are different. As you can see, the top of every one of these is different. So let's see what this blue one is. This is lavender. Lavender, definitely. Very nice. Very nice. And this one is crypto mint. That don't smell too bad. Never smelled that before. Like it. And then we have Paris Cafe. Oh my god, that smells like coffee. My wife is gonna love that. Like a Paris Cafe, I guess. Wow. Then we have coconut and vanilla. Definitely. Wow. Very on point with the scents. I love the size. Like, it's a really nice size. Perfect for like a bath or something. And there's 12 of them. You got plenty of scents here. The next one is silver birch and vanilla. Love the little sound of the air every time. Oh, that smells pretty good. Probably my second favorite over this one. And then lastly, the last candle down in here, nothing else in the box, is this candle, which is fluffy cotton. Oh, that's definitely my number 2. So 1, 2, and 3. This one smells really good as well. Wow. My personal review of these is the candle smells are very, very much on point. My personal favorite is this mahogany teak. I just think that smells so good. I love that you get such a variety in this pack. 12 completely different scents, all 2.5 grams, so it should last you a good while. 2 massive thumbs up. At the end of the day, this is essentially it for this 12-pack of scented candles. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching, and I would highly, highly recommend these for your wife, your mother, for anybody who loves candles. They should be in heaven with just the feel, the look, and the scent of these candles. Again, 2 massive thumbs up. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.